Vance Chemistry Urdu channel, and lecture is given by Shanza Asif Vance, and this is for organic chemistry and BSc classes. Today's topic is Witting reaction for preparation of alkene. What is Witting reaction? In this reaction, triphenylphosphine react with alkyl bromide. That lone pair attack on partial positive and bromide ion is eliminated. Phosphorus has two type of valencies, that is 3 and 5. As it is belonging to fifth group, so it is having 5 valency, 5 oxidation state, and it can also have 3 oxidation state, 3 valency, because to complete octet it should eliminate either 5 electron or it should accept either 3 electron. But here you can see phosphorus is forming 4 bond. Therefore, just like nitrogen, when nitrogen form 4 bond, it is having positive charge. So when phosphorus is forming 4 bond, it is known as, it is also having positive charge. That is unstable, and now we will add alkyl lithium. In this reaction we will take phenyl lithium. Lithium is a metal electropositive having positive charge, partial positive charge, so phenyl having partial negative charge. That product was obtained in previous step. When we add phenyl lithium, that negative charge will capture proton and bond is shifted between carbon and phosphorus. That compound and also benzene and lithium bromide. That compound is formed. Bond undergo resonance. In same species, one element having negative charge, phosphorus having positive charge. Species having positive and negative charge in same species is known as halide. That phosphorus halide, in which carbon having negative charge, so species having partial negative or full-fledged negative charge is known as nucleophile. So that center is nucleophilic center. In second step, acetone react with that nucleophile that negative charge attack on partial positive carbon, and oxygen will have negative charge. What is obtained? Halide is added in the ketone. Product formed undergo pyrolysis, thermal decay, and ethene is formed. Alkene is formed. What's happen? That negative charge will form bond with phosphorus. That bond will also shifted between phosphorus and oxygen, and This bond will form carbon-carbon double bond. We are making transition state which is having partial bond breakage bond formation. Negative charge is now shifted between oxygen and phosphorus. That bond should be broken and given to phosphorus and oxygen bond, and that bond should be broken. That bond should be broken and shifted to carbon-carbon. That is formed, that is known as transition state. Transition state. Compound is broken into two groups. One is alkene, other is triphenyl phosphine oxide. So in this process we have obtained alkene. Focus on your goal, stay at home, work hard and subscribe my channel.